Hi, fourth graders. This is Miss Kovarik, and for your skills lesson today, you're going to be taking your spelling assessment. So I'm going to read each word, and I will give you a sentence using that word, and you're going to type the word in the box. So if the first word was cup, I would say, I filled my cup with coffee in the morning, and you would write the word cup. Okay? So let's get started. Our first word is collapse. Empires often collapse when they became too large to govern. Number one, collapse. Number two, diverse. As Christians and Jews moved to Arabia, the population became more diverse. Number two is diverse. Number three, hyena. The hyena awoke at night to hunt for food. Hyena. Number four, integrity. The more the lady lied, the more I doubted her integrity. Integrity. Number five, illiterate. Although the toddler was illiterate, she liked looking at the pictures in magazines. Number five is illiterate. Number six, fray. I did not want to take sides, so I stayed out of the fray. Fray. Number seven, conquest. Religious conversions and military conquests both helped the empire to expand. Conquests. Number eight is governor. Before he was president, George W. Bush was the governor of Texas. Number eight is governor. Number nine, guilty. Lorena admitted that she was guilty and accepted her punishment. Number nine is guilty. And number 10 is humiliate. It is difficult to humiliate someone who has self-respect. Humiliate. All right, so if you missed a word, remember you can always rewind the video and go back. I'm going to go through one more time. Number one was collapse. Number two, diverse. Number three, hyena. Number four, integrity. Number five, illiterate. Number six, fray. Number seven, conquest. Number eight, governor. Number nine, guilty. And number 10 is humiliate. If you have any questions on your skills assignment, make sure to get onto Zoom, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, Adams.